Okay, let's see what the hell you are. What little critter's making noises on my porch? I know you're in here, you little fucker. If you're a possum and you bite me, I'm kicking your ass. Alright. Are you making all that fucking noise? It better not be you. I'll be pissed. Where are you running to, you little shit? You can take these damn tags off. They're making too much noise. Alright. Is it you making all that little noise? Okay. And that shit looks like it's been chewed on by something. Okay. I guess it's a lizard or a gecko or something making noise. Or a rat. Okay.